Alright, so as you can see, Daddy's down there hip rolling. We just got started. There he is. I'm filming with my drone. But there he is, about to take off. But we got this. I don't know how good y'all can see, but we got some fertilizer in there. And then we hip rolling, which is making these little beds. As you can see, that's just a regular, just this. And then that's hip rolled right there. But our corn will sit right on top of these beds. That's a better one there. It's more leveled off. But I'm filming with this drone, so I'm about to let y'all go. so back here, y'all seen the drone footage. It's running good in some spots, but it's just, there's some spots, as you can see, if you watch my last video, y'all know that was just big corn stalks. And so there's a lot of residue out there, and this thing's just not, it's not doing, and whenever we get in that residue, it's not doing nothing. It just keeps on getting balled up. But in those spots that we had food plots last year, that we did tillage on last year, they do all right because there's no residue out there. But what we're going to try to do is, I'll flip the camera, is these plow points on the front, which that's where the trash is catching. We're going to try and lower, you can take these two bolts out and lower this down. And we're going to try to lower those gauge wheels down and get as much room between the roller and the plow point as we can to see if that can help. But we got this thing, got them all lowered, all these bolts put back in it, but we about to go see how it's gonna do. And we also got the gauge wheels lower, but I'll let y'all know how it's gonna go. Alright, so we didn't, messing with those plow points didn't help any, so we don't really know what to do about it because we just got all this trash. In my opinion, I think we should have disced it last fall, but the guy we're working for, he don't like us to disc in the fall. And the other thing that we thought about doing, which is too late to do that too, is we should have burned it because it's just a bunch of stubble out here. But that's going to be the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.